Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Caitlin and from Shumatt, China. Today I wanted to show you some of our products. This is our valve assembly. First, let me check the details for you. For this, this is our VCI anti-rust bags, and there has a label. It's a Shumatt logos. Yes, if you want to print with your own logo, you can contact us. Logo, label, packaging bags. Yes, any demand, please contact us. This part is the product code F00RJ02472. The application model number is 0445120369. This is a QR code. And let's open it to see the inside. You can see the inside part. We package with oil paper. This is the valve assembly. We not only seal in the whole side, but also we seal in the separate parts. It's the valve cap. For the valve cap, we have the coating and the letters on it. This is a valve rod. For the valve rods, and we have different size. If you want other sizes, you can contact us. Okay, that's all the details we are showing today. Actually, we have different videos and live show on Facebook and YouTube account. Remember to follow us at our channel, okay? And except that I have several tips I want to share with you. First, clean it with oil. Second, make sure the valve cap can be in the right position. The valve rods can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all the tips. Actually, about the warranties, we had the 6-month warranties during this time. If you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can return it, exchange the product for you. Okay, that's all about today's product introduction. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.